Hey everyone, so today we'll show you how to use the Viz staging tool. It's pretty straightforward. First, you'll want to drag or upload your room photo here. Next, we'll add a quick prompt briefly describing what we want to see. Here, you can see that you can pick from a variety of room types and styles. So we'll go ahead and click Generate. There we go. That's pretty good. Now, let's say you want to edit this further. We'll just save this image and go to our library. Then, we'll click into the image and click on Edit here. This is essentially the same as going to the Viz Edit tool in the main menu. Here we can describe what we want to change with text commands. So let's say we want to remove the plant and move the couch to the left wall. Let's try that. Okay, good. Plant is gone, and the AI probably thought the back wall is the left wall, so you'd have to play with that a bit more and try some other prompts. But you can essentially just tell the AI how you want to edit this photo in any way you want. Let's save this again and reuse it. Now, let's change the back wall to black. Okay, great. That looks nice. As a final step, we recommend going back to your library and then clicking on the Enhance button in the image. This sharpens up the image and upscales it to make it crisp and ready to use. So let's add a quick, simple prompt here. We can change the values here how we want. Okay, let's try that. Perfect. That looks great. And this is our final staged photo. We'll download it now and check it out in more detail. You can see it's nice and crisp after the enhancer. So that's about it, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to see what you make with Viz Cloud.